How to know who blocked you on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can know who blocked you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to know who blocked you on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Now, Instagram is not going to give you a list of people who have blocked you, so you have to yourself figure out a way on how you can find out if this person has blocked you or not. And I will give you only one solution, and that is a 100% correct solution. That is that from your main account from which you think that they have blocked you, come to the search page, just try to search for that person and make sure it is the correct username. And when you go to their profile page, or if the name doesn't show up for some reason, or if they are in your DMs list and then you go to their profile page, their name doesn't show up, it simply shows user not found, you can think that they have deleted or blocked you 50%, but the other 50% chances because they could have also deleted or deactivated their account. Now, in order to solve this problem and to solve this mystery, what we're going to do is we're going to switch our account to a dummy account. So if you have a friend, if you in case don't have an account, if you have your sister's phone, brother's phone, or anyone's phone over here, or anyone's Instagram account, search for that same person from their profile and then see if their name shows up. And if their name shows up in your other profile but not in your main profile, chances are 99% that they have blocked you on your main account. But if their name doesn't show up on all of the profiles that you search from all of the accounts, then chances are they could have deleted or blocked their account for some reason and not have blocked you. So bottom line is that also try to confirm from other people's account. If their name shows up from others account but not in your account, then 99% chances are that they have blocked you and it's time for you to move on. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.